Hi, I'm Charvet Aturis. As a registered nurse, I see firsthand the devastation of the coronavirus pandemic. But as a mental health nurse, I've witnessed an increase in depression and anxiety. With over 30 million people applying for unemployment, millions of employers forced to close their doors and slash their workforces, it's no wonder individuals and families feel mentally and financially distraught. I wanted to do something to help because life as we once knew will never be the same. And I wanted to give people a sense of security, knowing that when they venture out into the public, they are safe. And in the midst of the pandemic, they can have a way to fuel their financial economy without ever leaving their home. I especially wanted to reach those who are experiencing challenging times, or those in at-risk communities that may not have access to even the basics to survive. Because of this, I've partnered with an international manufacturer that has been instrumental with its product in controlling the spread of viruses in hotspots around the world. Millions have benefited in East Asia and now here in the United States, giving people a peace of mind that they are protected. Speaking of peace of mind, are you wondering if your sanitizer is safe? Did you know that there has been an increase in accidental poisoning due to overuse of sanitizers with some brands? Some sanitizers can poison children if it's ingested, damage the skin due to its high alcohol content, lower your child's immunity, making them vulnerable to various diseases, cause severe burns as it is highly flammable. Some contain toxic chemicals like phthalates, which can alter genital development and cause infertility. A study by the CDC found that children now show 20 times more phthalate content in their bodies than any time in the past. Triclosan can harm the immune system, cause antibiotic-resistant bacteria, and hormone disruption. It can also cause side effects like cancer, allergies, neurological problems, infertility, and muscle weakness. Now we have an answer. Let me introduce you to a breakthrough innovation, Particle Sanitizer. It's an antimicrobial protectant that is all natural, safe for children and adults, alcohol-free, and lasts up to 4 hours. Unlike other brands, our sanitizer is a body protectant that can be sprayed on your face, hands, hair, and clothing, providing an added layer of protection. That's a huge difference between Particle Sanitizer and other brands. Its ingredients are FDA approved and does not contain any harmful chemicals or toxins, providing maximum protection against bacteria, fungi, and viruses, while killing 99.9% of germs without reapplying for 4 hours. How many of us would like to be safe on the go while using public transportation, riding a train, plane, bus, taking an Uber or Lyft, or on vacation? With our Safe2Go Kit, use your sanitizer to spray your seats, handrail, tray table, or on other areas on a plane and other surfaces. For extra added protection, experience our exclusive Micronet copper filter reusable mask that can be washed 200 times while continuing to protect against airborne particles, making it more effective than disposable masks. You can even spray our sanitizer onto the mask to provide an added antiviral barrier. If we are going to ever get to the new norm, we have to make sure that everyone has some form of protection. On our mission to help you and your loved ones feel safe, we invite you to join our Buy One, Gift One movement. With every Safe2Go kit that you purchase to protect your family from viruses, we will give you a free sanitizer or mask to donate to a first responder, an essential worker, a family member, or friend. Technology is going to play a special role in our lives. Therefore, in order to share information about our movement, we have equipped each of our members with a special social distancing platform to help us reach our goal to give away 1 million sanitizers and/or masks to the less fortunate. This exclusive, one-of-a-kind platform includes state-of-the-art lead capture feature, replicated website to promote and market products, access to professional videos and upload personalized videos, easy access to marketing tools with presentations and brochures. It also has an extra added bonus, allowing you to consolidate multiple businesses in one platform to promote and market each of your businesses. Our company has been sending our most valuable products to hotspots around the world, and now we're in the United States. Help us on our quest to galvanize individuals with a heartfelt desire to help protect their loved ones, not just during a pandemic, but for a lifetime, giving them peace of mind as the country adjusts to the new normal. If that person is you, we want you to join our movement. Everyone who joins our movement and partners with us by purchasing a Safe2Go kit, we will share a percentage of the profits with you. That's simple. It's a great way to protect your family and stimulate your personal economy at the same time. Can you imagine getting paid for every sanitizer that's sprayed? Once you decide to partner with us, you receive a link that you can share as often as you like and qualify to earn a percentage of our profit sharing pool. We are committed to sharing our profits up to 3 levels of sales in your social network. What a great way to stimulate your economy. Now is the time that we must look forward to the future, how we will change our habits, and how we can make a difference to help stop the spread of COVID-19 and other viruses. It is our goal to ensure we protect your family, your home, and your business. When you feel safe, you can venture out with confidence, allowing you to live your best life. Millions have joined our cause, and with our goal, we need you to help us heal the nation one family at a time. There are 3 easy steps to get started today. Step 1, become a partner in our Buy One, Gift One movement. Step 2, purchase one of our Safe2Go kits to protect you and your family. And step 3, donate the free sanitizer and/or mask. Let's win this fight against viruses and protect our families and loved ones, keeping them safe. Let's decrease anxiety with the pandemic, help lower the unemployment rate, and secure your finances. As a nation, we will get through this. And as a nation, we will rise, because together we can truly make a difference.